Good morning, YouTube. I hope everything is well with everyone out there. It's been a while since I posted a video. The last major trip report video I posted was the one in Yosemite where I went hiking with Kelsey. Since then, a lot has happened with life, so I figured I would catch everyone up on what I've been up to and then go into what I'm going to do in 2020.
In the fall and winter of this year, I really got into cycling. I've been into road cycling and mountain biking off and on for several years, but really got the bug in the fall of last year. I completed my first century ride in October and then raced in several local cyclocross events. I spent the winter training for the Grasshopper Gravel Race Series here in Northern California and had fun completing one of those races before the series was canceled because of COVID. I hope to complete a few more races in the fall, and I'm looking forward to seeing how my improved cardio helps out with backpacking.
In early March 2020, Kelsey and I traveled to the Hawaiian island of Kauai, where we took part in a friend's wedding. After the wedding was over, we traveled to the north side of the island to hike the Kalalau backpacking trail.
You might remember in 2015 I hiked a trail with some friends. I did not do a video this time around because of the amount of rain we had. We started at the trailhead with horizontal rain and then it drizzled most of the time we were on trail. I guess that's what happens when you go hiking in one of the wettest places in the planet. We were lucky that the rain stopped each time we passed by Crawler's Ledge. And fortunately, it was relatively dry the 2 nights we spent on the final beach, where we saw one of the best sunsets I've ever seen.
By the time we got back from Hawaii in mid-March, the COVID virus was spreading around the world and businesses were shutting down. Since then, we've been sheltering in place at home.
In addition to cycling, I've been doing some backyard workouts to keep healthy. With my climbing gym closed, I've resorted to a combination of bodyweight exercises and sandbag workouts. I'm hoping this also helps my fitness for summer hiking season.
So this brings me to my big announcement. We got a dog. This is Luna right here. Luna is an 11-week-old border collie. I grew up with a border collie as a kid. We got one probably when I was like 12 years old and had it as I was in high school and college. So she was a really good dog. I've always wanted one, and now that we've got past the wedding, household's all situated, we decided let's do the get the dog thing. So we got Luna a couple of weeks ago, and we've been training her up since then. She's progressed really well with training. We've been walking her a lot. She's got her sit and down command pretty good. Potty training is fully in effect. Now she wants to go run around and chase something. So my plan is to get her really trained up in the next couple of months. We got her signed up for puppy class. I'm spending at least an hour a day doing some walks, drills, exercise, playing with her, probably more like 2 or 3 hours some days. So she's very active, which I love, and I've been getting in my 10,000 steps a day for sure with her. You will see Luna in upcoming videos, hiking videos. It's amazing how much she's grown just in the past couple of weeks. So with the lockdowns starting to lift, I'm hoping that the state parks and the national parks start opening back up and I can get back out, take the dog for hikes, go on hikes myself, get on the bike, things like that. I'm not really sure what 2020 trips are going to look like. Hopefully the backcountry opens back up. We can get into some backpacking situations, car camping. I'm not sure. I have talked with Joe, and we'd like to do something. Obviously, we love doing our trips together. The problem is, I don't know, the Canadian border right now is closed, so we'll see if that opens back up, if I can get up there. I'm thinking at this point it probably would be like a fall trip if it is anything. So that's still on the radar. Trust me, we want to do that. This brings me to my last point. It's going to be at least another month before California starts opening up and doing stuff. So I have some free time to make some videos. I am right now in the middle of putting together a video on how to make a tarp. I'm building a little lightweight day hiking emergency tarp. People have asked in several of my other videos for that. You've probably seen in videos that Joe uses one of the tarps I made, and we always use a group shelter tarp called Old Blue. So I will go over how I put it together. It's not rocket science, but it'll be a good little tutorial. So that'll be coming up here in the next week or so. And then after that, I've got ideas for some other videos, but I don't know what people would want to see or want to hear my thoughts on. I will put in the description name of a video and a brief little description about what it's about. They're just some easy things that I can put together here in the backyard or in the house while we wait for all this craziness to start to peter out, hopefully, and we can get back to normal life. So once that happens, trust me, I'm going to be outside. I'm going to be outside with Luna here, and we are going to be... Are you chewing the chair? Don't chew the chair. Thank you. We are going to be out there going at it. Yeah, she's still chewing the chair. Anyways, we'll be out there making videos, doing stuff. But yeah, If you have any questions or you want to see a video on something that's not listed in the description below, please let me know. So that's what I've been up to. Hope everyone's staying safe, hanging out with their family and soaking in as much time as they can with them. We will get through this. We'll go back to normal here eventually, or at least a new normal. And I'm looking forward to doing that. So stay tuned for new videos coming out here soon.